If you want to make money, we have it. If you want better lifestyle, we have it. If you want health, we have it.
The best way to have the 90 for Life message go out there is to recruit people to the business. Why? It's a better way. Show them a better life. We show them how to live a better life. We introduce them to the world of abundance. Who wouldn't want abundance, you know?
A lifestyle that no one else could match. We're able to travel the world. We're able to spend time with people we enjoy spending time with, people we care about, taking our families around the world.
The things that we have dreamed about, that we've had on our poster board, they're coming true.
You know what's nice about this is you work a little bit and you get a lot of rewards. That's what's great about this opportunity.
It inspires me to go back and build a massive team so that all of that team can come back with me.
Everyone works really hard, and this is one of our rewards, that we're in the business of changing lives and we get to spend time with amazing people who are doing the same thing. That's my favorite part.
What more do you want? It's like 85 degrees right now, palm trees, clear blue waters. I'm telling you, it's about the lifestyle. If you're not enjoying the lifestyle that you deserve, flat out just go to work, because Youngevity definitely makes the payments.
The sky's the limit when you come to Youngevity, the 90 for Life message. And I just suggest all the folks never miss another trip that's free. Never miss. That's 101 Youngevity. Don't miss a trip that's free. And I'm still Andre Vaughn. I'm still 90 for Life.
It's absolutely heaven. And I've never met so many exciting, enthusiastic people who love what they do. And how many places and times in life do you meet people who love what they do?
You know, I live in Rexburg, Idaho, and it is cold. When I left, it was snowing there. To be able to come here on this incentive trip that we earned free of charge on the company's dime with Youngevity has been awesome. I'm sitting out in the sun, I'm watching the waves roll in, and I am loving it. And to be here with some of my best friends is awesome. Thanks, Youngevity.
It's a real like pleasure just to be around all these like really top producers and corporate, and we can just really ask them whatever we want, just pick in their heads, and so we can get some help with the business as well.
It's a wonderful experience to sit down with a multi-millionaire and have him share 20 minutes with you. That knowledge that he has, that he's learned from 20 years, you can learn it in like 20 minutes. So I think everyone should start qualifying. We got to start pushing ourselves, and if we want something great, we got to go out there and get it.
With hard work, any and everything is possible, and this is just an assurance that I have to keep going, I have to keep working hard, and this is just the tip of the iceberg.
To me, this is evidence of what a company should do to recognize. We have many CEOs in corporate America that are not showing appreciation for the people that work so hard for them, just to be able to not even make it. They still have to borrow money from family and friends. For us, we are in a business where we're helping family and friends and helping them economically as well, and then we reward on top of it, and it's all done from the heart, from the top.
This company has a lot of integrity, which you don't see in a lot of other companies. I don't feel like I worked very hard to earn this trip personally, and that they do everything they can to encourage people to move ahead. They reward you financially, and they reward you with things like this.
It gives us a better vision of what can happen, and actually seeing people from across the country here, it just impresses upon us what we actually can do.
Just thinking of the next trip, how many more team members that we can get here on the next trip to have this incredible experience that we're having this weekend.
I want you here with me next year. This is so much fun. I don't want to miss it without you.
This is the lifestyle of Youngevity.
This is the lifestyle that Youngevity gives us. Are you next?
This is the lifestyle that you can have with Youngevity.
Are you next?